Did you know that you can protect your SIM card with an additional security measure? If someone tries to use it in another phone, they will need the PIN code. In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable SIM card lock on your iPhone and further secure your data. Follow the steps and learn how to activate this useful option. But before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you can be the first to know about new helpful tips. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to the home screen of your phone, find and open Settings. Once you're in the Settings page, find Mobile Service and tap on it to open. After opening this option, you will see several settings. The one you need to find is SIM PIN. So, scroll down, and when you find it, tap on it to open. On the SIM PIN settings page, you will see two options. Tap the switch next to the SIM PIN option, then enter the current PIN of your SIM card in the field and confirm by tapping Done in the top right corner of the screen. Once you've done this, from now on, every time you turn on your phone or insert the SIM card into another device, you will need to enter the PIN to access the network. That's it for this short video. I hope it was helpful and that you successfully activated your SIM card lock. If so, be sure to leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.